Go beginners often treat arrays and slices as interchangeable. They're fundamentally different, and confusing them causes real bugs. An array in Go has a fixed length set at compile time. You declare it with bracket notation, bracket 3int, bracket 5int. Here's what trips most beginners. The size is part of the type itself. Bracket 3int and bracket 5int are entirely different types. You cannot assign one to the other. Arrays are safe and predictable for fixed-size data, but rigid for most real-world use cases. Slices are Go's dynamic workhorse. Under the hood, every slice is a 3-field header, a pointer to a backing array, a current length, and a capacity. The data lives in that array. The slice is simply a window into it. You create slices with make, specifying type, length, and optionally capacity. Call append to grow them. When capacity is exceeded, Go silently allocates a larger backing array. Arrays are value types. Assignment copies every element. Slices are reference types. Copying just copies the 3-field header. 2 slices can share the same backing array, so changes through one are visible through the other. To recap, arrays are fixed-size value types while slices are dynamic reference views backed by arrays. Follow for more Go interview prep. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.